welcome to Universal Vlogs. In our previous units, I have explained to you about the algebra. In mathematics, algebra, the basic introduction, that is about the like algebraic terms, the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And now in this second unit, let me explain to you about the unlike algebraic terms. Let me consider some of the examples here and I will explain through the examples. See here the first example you can see unlike algebraic terms. The word itself you can understand. See here I have written 5p and 6q. P and q are different algebraic terms or algebraic letters. So here you can distinguishedly see P is there, again Q is there, so both of them are different. Let me consider the addition. This is the first example what I have taken. 5P plus 6Q plus 17Q plus 5P. Here we have mixed this, that is in this problem mixed type is there. P, Q, again Q, P. So now let us classify the only P terms. See, let me mark like this. See, I am marking here 5p and again here p is there, no, 5p. Already I have told you 5 is the coefficient of p. 5p plus 5p, we can directly add this. Mentally only we can add this. So 5p plus 5p will be 10p. I am writing the answer here, 10p. And again next let me consider the 6q and 17q. 6 and 17, let us add the numbers. So in between also I am writing the plus sign only, Here all are positive algebraic terms. So I am writing plus. Because this q is a different term, I am adding this separately. 6 and 17 will be 23. I am writing, see, 23q. 23q. So again here I can mark this here by some other, I have marked by dots, 6q and 17q. So this will be 23q. 10p plus 23q will be the answer. Next, let me consider 4l square minus 6m square plus 13l square minus 17m square. Here addition is there, subtraction is there, both are there, plus and minus. So please don't get confused. Here first you recognize this 4l square and 13l square are the like algebraic terms. You can add this, 4 plus 13 will be 17. 17l square. And again, here you can see, you observe very carefully, minus 6m square is there and minus 17m square is there. Both of them are minus. So, I am writing minus here, minus. And again, 6 plus 7 will be 6 plus 17 will be 23m square. So, m square, 23m square, 17l square minus 23m square will be the answer there. We will keep it like this only. We will not mix up again. L and m are different algebraic terms. So, this itself is the answer. Again, let me consider the third example. 16p square minus 3q square plus 10q square plus 6p square is there. Here, let me underline 16p square, 6p square. This will be nothing but 22. 16 plus 6 will be 22p square. And again here you can observe here 3q square is there, 3q square and 10q square is there. Observe very carefully. This is plus 10. They have written plus 10 and this is minus 3q. So plus 10 and minus 3 will be 7. 10 minus 3 will be 7 and 10 is the greater number. So we are writing plus sign only here. Please observe 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7 and I have written here plus sign because the greater number is having the positive sign. These all will come in the law of the indices which I will explain to you, that comes in the arithmetic side. By when you deal with the algebra, you will be knowing all these very simple things. But simply I have told you, let me explain to you about this indices chapter also in the next coming units. So 10 minus 3 is 7, and I have written plus sign here, and let us write q square like this only. Q square will be written like this only. So what is the answer? Answer will be 22p square plus 7q square will be the answer. So now I have explained to you addition and the subtraction of the unlike algebraic terms. Next, let me tell you about the multiplication here. I have considered the example of the multiplication. 3l square into 5l square into 16m square into 5m square. Again here you can see 3l square and 5l square are the like algebraic terms. So let me multiply 3 into 5, that is 15l square. Let me write. Again, because multiplication is there, let me write multiplication sign here. And again we can consider this one, 16m square into 5m square. 16 5s will be 80. 80m square will be the answer. So 15l square into 80m square will be the answer. Now let me consider this fifth example. Here also this is division sign is there. So I told you in the like algebraic divisions how to expand this. In similar manner, let us expand this. 8 into x into x into y into y into y. So 3 times x square means 2 times x, again 3 times y cube means 3 times y I have written here, and again in the denominator let us take minus 2. Don't forget about the signs also. Minus 2 is there. So minus 2 into x into y. Okay. And now let me cancel this. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Don't confuse these things. This is y to the power of 3. So here I have written 2 4s are. And again x can be cancelled. Only one x can be cancelled. Don't cancel the one more x. Again y and y can be cancelled. What are all the remaining terms? We will write it as the answer. See here 4 is there. First write the 4. And don't forget this negative sign. So here we will write it as minus 4. Minus 4. So the answer will be minus 4 and x is there. So you write x. Only single x is remaining. And 2 y's are remaining. So it is y square. Y square. Minus 4x y square is the answer. So I hope now you got this one. Let me consider one more example to you. You can observe here, this is the 6th example I am giving you for the unlike algebraic terms. And you please read this problem also very carefully. Minus 15x cubed. See how I read this? Reading is also important. Minus 15x cubed y z cubed by minus 5xyz square. And what will be the heading for these problems? Usually they will give it as simplify. Simplify. They will give it as simplify or simplification of the algebraic terms. We can also write simplification of the algebraic terms. And here now, again, what is this number by? By means again it is division only. So let us write this 15. Always we write the equal sign before writing anything here. 15 into x into x into x. Again only single y is there. Don't forget to write that y also. Again z cubed is there. So let me write z into z. So we have expanded this term and we have written. It will be easy for us to simplify. So that is why we have written like that. Many a times if you get expertized in this, you can write it orally also. These are all very, very simple problems. But anyway, for you as a student, for the practice, these things must be done. So minus 5 into x into y into z into z. You observe here 5xyz square, 5xyz square. X I have written once, y I have written once, z I have written 2 times, and in between we have to write this multiplication sides. Don't confuse this for the x. This is not x, this is multiplication signs in between. So now minus is there. Don't do anything for that now. I told you according to the indices, where minus divided by minus will be plus. This minus and minus will be waived off. So we can consider the answer as the positive answer. So don't do anything for that. Let it be like this only. Next, 5 ones and 5 3. Let me cancel the numbers, that is the numerical terms. And again algebraic term, only one x is there, we can cancel. Again one y is there, again one more y, let me consider here. And again z and z can be cancelled, one more z can be cancelled. And here what is the answer? I told you minus divided by minus will be plus. We can write plus also. Plus 3 is the number. There, 3 is there. And again x into x will be x square. Again, what is remaining? Y is cancelled. So don't write the term y. Only one z is remaining there. This must be the into sign here. I am changing it. Because 15x cubed y z cubed means this must be into sign. So z into z into z. Only one more z is remaining, x square z. So plus 3x square z will be the answer here. So this will be the answer. So this is how you will simplify the algebraic terms very simple manner, in a very simple manner. So I hope now by this time you understood how to simplify the unlike algebraic terms also. So in this video I have tried to explain that only. And now all of you please watch this video and like it and share it and subscribe it. Thank you.